Welcome to Meb's Kitchenware's workshop. I'm Meb. In this small dusty space for nearly 20 years, my husband Tom and I have created unique cooking and serving items. We use only New England hardwoods, maple and cherry, walnut and birch. We take inspiration from these beautiful local woods and get some of our best ideas from you, our customers and friends from around the world. Here's an idea of the process our salad tongs go through on their way to your salad bowl. Tom is the precision engineer and pattern maker, slots and springs and wood grains. And then I'm the one who says, wouldn't forks be nice? Or one fork and one spoon? And what about the tips? Some people want square tips, some people want rounded tips. That's the way we work. I hope you'll check out our Etsy page for ready-to-ship items and visit our website to order standard pieces and place custom orders. Happy cooking!